Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 drill bit sharpeners. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Drill Bit Sharpener. Specifications. Model MR13D. Material metal. Grinding range 03-013. Point angle 95 degree, 90 degrees, 135 degree. Power AC 220 volts. Motor 120 watts. Speed 4400 RPM. Dimension 32 by 18 by 19. Weight 10 kilograms. Item number 4 is DD750X750X Drill Bit Sharpener. Specifications. Brand name XMSJ. DIY supplies, metalworking. Type, spade drill bit. Origin, US, origin. As the item number 3 we've selected, Drill Bit Sharpener 3 to 13 mm. Specifications. Brand name, _null. Disc bore diameter, 16 mm. Power source, electricity. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is Vever Drill Bit Sharpener. Specifications. Model, Drill Bit Sharpener. DIY supplies, metalworking. Suitable for drill bit sharpening. Voltage, AC 120 volts, 60 Hz. Running speed, 4500 RPM. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, HY13 Portable Electric Drill Bit Grinder. Specifications. Brand name, Yinlinli. Model, HY13. Voltage, 220 volts. Power, 180 watts. Speed, 5300 RPM. Tip angle, 100 degree, 90 degrees, 135 degree. Power supply, AC. Weight, 10 kilograms. Packing size, 31 by 17 by 18.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.